Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when camera is not working in Microsoft Teams on Windows 10 computer. So make sure that you don't have any application which is using the camera. So if camera app is running, you can go ahead and close it. If you have Skype or OBS Studio running, make sure that you close all the other application which is using camera while using Microsoft Teams. Now the next step is to select the right camera in Microsoft Teams. So open Microsoft Teams. On the top here you can see the profile icon, click on it, then click on settings, and then go to devices, scroll down and make sure that you select the right camera. Whichever is your camera, make sure that you select your camera and then you can go ahead and use your Microsoft Teams. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to allow desktop apps to access your camera. So open Windows 10 settings. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Go to privacy. Select camera. And make sure the camera is on. Camera access for this device is on. So click on change and make sure this is on. If this is off, you can go ahead and turn it on. And also make sure allow apps to access your camera is also on. So if this is off, go ahead and turn it on. Scroll down and here you can see allow desktop apps to access your camera. Make sure this is on. So if you turn this off, you will not be able to use camera in Microsoft Teams. So make sure that this is on. Now also allow media permission in Microsoft Teams. So open Microsoft Teams. Again click on your profile icon. Then click on settings. Go to permissions. And then make sure media, which is camera, microphone and speaker, this is on over here. If this is off, you can go ahead and turn it on and then you can use Microsoft Teams. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and re-register your camera. To re-register the camera, you can copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Then make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell admin and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command on this PowerShell window and then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and re-register the camera app and then you can go ahead and use Microsoft Teams. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and update your camera driver. To update your camera driver, you can make a right click on the start menu, open device manager. You will find your camera under the camera over here, or you will find somewhere imaging device. So if you find imaging device, you can expand imaging device and you will find the camera over there. Make a right click on your camera, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and let the update complete. And if that does not resolve the problem, you can click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick up from the list of available drivers on my computer and then select USB video device. Then click on next. And once that is done, restart your computer and then check your camera in Microsoft Teams. Now in case if your camera app is not working at all on your computer, then you can go ahead and visit this link. This link has further troubleshooting steps to fix your camera. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your camera working in Microsoft Teams. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.